Luann here, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button so you can see future videos. So today we're going to talk about my first word that I signed. So since both of my parents were deaf, we really don't know what the first word that I spoke was, but it'd be interesting to know. But anyway, so today I'm going to talk to you about the first word that I signed, and the first word that I signed was milk. Okay, so you sign milk, just make a fist like this, milk, and just pump your fist twice. Okay, so I want to take a minute to talk about how children can learn sign to better communicate with their parents, no matter if they can hear or they're deaf or hard of hearing or have a disability such as autism, anything like that, to better communicate with you what their needs are and you communicate what you want to your children. So using sign is a really great way to communicate with your children no matter what. So I'll be talking in future videos about that, but I just wanted to put that out there just to see if you guys had any thoughts about that. If you do, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.